Insulating your smoker is crucial for achieving consistent temperature control during the cooking process. By adding insulation to your smoker, you can help maintain a steady cooking temperature, which is essential for cooking meats to perfection. Different types of smokers, such as offset smokers or pellet grills, can benefit significantly from proper insulation to ensure even heat distribution. Insulation also plays a key role in preventing heat loss and fluctuations, allowing you to achieve the desired cooking results every time. When insulating your smoker, it's essential to have the right materials on hand. Common materials required for smoker insulation include fireproof blankets, ceramic tiles, and high-temperature gaskets. These materials are chosen for their ability to withstand high heat levels and provide effective insulation to the smoker. Fireproof blankets offer excellent heat retention, while ceramic tiles can distribute heat evenly. High-temperature gaskets help seal gaps and prevent heat loss, ensuring optimal cooking conditions inside the smoker. Choosing the appropriate insulation materials is key to achieving consistent and controlled cooking temperatures in your smoker. Insulating your smoker involves specific techniques to ensure effective temperature control. Demonstrating how to apply insulation to different parts of the smoker, such as the lid, walls, and doors, is crucial for maintaining consistent heat levels. Sealing gaps and leaks is equally important to prevent heat loss and maintain an airtight cooking environment. Additionally, proper ventilation plays a key role even after insulation to regulate airflow and prevent smoke buildup. By following these insulation techniques, you can optimize the performance of your smoker and achieve desired cooking results. Testing the effectiveness of insulation is essential for achieving optimal temperature control in your smoker. By monitoring temperature variations across different parts of the smoker, you can assess how well the insulation is retaining heat. It's crucial to conduct test runs before actual cooking to ensure consistent temperature control throughout the cooking process. Testing insulation effectiveness helps identify any areas that may need additional insulation or sealing to prevent heat loss and maintain a stable cooking environment. Through proper testing, you can fine-tune your smoker's insulation for efficient and reliable performance. Proper maintenance of your smoker's insulation is key to ensuring long-term performance and consistent temperature control. Providing guidance on maintaining insulation involves regular inspections and repairs to address any wear or damage. Cleaning the insulation material and repairing any tears or gaps helps prevent heat leaks and ensures effective insulation. By following these maintenance tips, you can prolong the lifespan of your smoker's insulation and maintain its efficiency in retaining heat. Regular upkeep is crucial for preserving optimal cooking conditions and achieving reliable results with your smoker.